Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the classification of the neurons, and this is on the number of the neuronal processes. The first one is the unipolar. So what happens in the unipolar, the structure is these neurons, they have a single process with different segments. So single process with a different segment serving as a receptor surfaces and releasing terminals. Then what are the examples here is the neurons seen in case of the invertebrates. So invertebrates have this kind of unipolar structure. Then is bipolar. Bipolar is two processes exist from the cell body to the dendrite and an axon. So two processes are present, and the example is the retinal bipolar ganglion. Next is the pseudo-unipolar. So pseudo-unipolar is a subclass of the bipolar class, and as the cells develops, a single process splits into two. So single process, it splits into two. So single process, it splits into two, and both of the function of which the function as axons. One is going to the skin or the muscles, and the other is going to the spinal cord. So one goes to the skin, and the other it goes to the spinal cord. So what is the example? Examples, it includes the DRG. So DRG stands for the dorsal root ganglion. Next we move on to the multipolar. So multipolar is many processes that exist from the cell body and have one axon and many dendrites. That is, multipolar is many processes. The many processes, they exit from the cell body, and they have one axon and many dendrites. So the example here for the multipolar, it includes the spinal motor neuron, hippocampal pyramidal cells as well as cerebellar Purkinje cells. So spinal motor neuron, hippocampal pyramidal cells as well as the cerebellar Purkinje cells. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.